Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study chapter number 3, Indices and Cube Root, practice set number 3.1 and 3.2 we are going to complete in today's video. So let's start with the first question. So it says, express the following numbers in index form. So we have to write it in the index form. So first let's write the question. Now, how are you going to read this? Fifth root of 13. Okay, and then you have to write it in the index form. Now index form, it's very easy. Fifth root of 13 means first you all have to write 13 and fifth root they have said, so it is going to be 1 upon 5. Why 1 upon 5? Because it is fifth root of 13. Got it? So in this exercise we are going to read the way we have to write the index form, the way we have to write the power, the way we have to write the root of the power. Everything I'm going to teach you along with the examples from the practice set. Okay, so this was the first question. Second one says sixth root of 9. Okay, so this one also in the same way, sixth root of 9 means 9 you all have to write first, sixth root, so 1 upon 6. Isn't it easy? Third says square root. Now you all don't have to wonder what is square because we have already done square root of 256. So square means we all know 2, isn't it? Square means 2, cube means 3. So we have to remember these words, mathematical words, in order to write the index form. So square root of 256. So first 256 and square root means 1 upon 2. Got it? So don't get confused. If it is square, then what we have to write? Square means 2, cube means 3, and after that it is going to be 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 17th, 18th, 19th. In this way it is going to be given. Only the two different words are going to be square and cube. Fourth one is, see, cube root of 17. Okay, so as I said, cube means 3. So 17, 1 upon 3. Alright, so how are you going to read this? Cube root of 17. Square root of 256. Sixth root of 9. So this, in this statement only you all have to read so that it will be easy for you all to remember the index form. This is being expressed in the index form. Now the fifth one was eighth root of 100. So first write 100 and eighth root means 1 upon 8. Next the sixth one is seventh root of 30. So 30 and 1 upon 7. Wasn't it easy? The first question you all can refer it from the textbook also if you are not able to understand, because I have directly given you all the solution for it, but in this way only you all have to write the answers. Now question number 2 is write in the form of nth root of a in each of the following numbers. Now ulta you all have to write. Now this was being given, you all have to write it in the index form. Now the index form will be given, you all have to write it in the form of nth root of, I will write it down only, nth root of a. Okay, so this is supposed to be the this is supposed to be the a and this is going to be the nth root. Okay, so let's write it. The first one is 81, 1 upon 4. So the index form has been given, you all have to write it in the form of this. Okay, so how are you going to write it? 4. So fourth root of 81. Just the ulta of the first question you all have to write. Second one is 49. Reading is important, you all have to read it properly, then only you will be able to write it. Now over here 2 is there, so you don't have to write 2, you have to write, I wrote roof over here, it is root, sorry. Now this is 49 upon 49, 1 upon 2, so this will be written as square root of 49. Next is 15 1 upon 5. So fifth, because 5 is there, so fifth root of 15. Fourth one is 512, 1 upon 9. So ninth root of 512. The fifth one is 100, 1 upon 19. So 19th, spelling is important. Don't forget to make the spelling correct. Don't write it in the wrong form. So 19 root of 100. And the sixth one is 6 in the bracket 1 upon 7. So 7 is there, so write 7th root of 6. Isn't it easy? So over here your practice set number 3.1 is being completed. Let's solve practice set number 3.2. Okay, so in this only two questions are there, same as we have done in over here. We have to write it in the cube form and the square form. So question number 1 is complete the following table, and the number that they have given is, it is in the form of table children, but I am writing it in this way because I have to explain also. So everyone knows how to write the power of the root and root of the power. Okay, power of the root and root of the power. I'll explain you how you all have to write. So how are you going to write power of the root? First one is going to be cube of square root of 225. Cube of square root of 225. Now, root of power, how are you going to write? The second one is going to be square root of cube of 225. Isn't it easy? Just iska ulta you all have to write. In this way, what you all have to write, the first one cube of square root of 225, and in the second one square root of cube of 225. The next one is 45. Now over here the numbers are changed, 4 upon 5. So how are you going to write? Fourth power of fifth root of 45. Okay, so fourth power of fifth root of 45. And over here ulta you all have to write, that is fifth, you all can write it in spelling also, fifth root of fourth power of 45. Now this is root of the power and this is power of the root. Okay, see over here only power of the root and root of the power. So don't make mistakes in this. The reading is very easy. You all have to only pay attention to the small things. Now power of the root will be sixth power of seventh. You all can write it in spelling or in words also, no problem, or numbers also you all can write, of 81, and root of the power is going to be seventh root of sixth power of 81. The sentence has to be correct. Nothing much is done over here in this question. Only the sentence is to be done correctly. Next is 100, 4 upon 10. So power of the root is going to be fourth. I will write it in number only. Fourth power of 10th root of 100, and over here root of the power will be 10th root of fourth power of 100. The fifth one is 21, 3 upon 7. So Power of the root will be third power of seventh root of 21, and root of the power will be seventh root of third power of 21. Over here the first question is being completed. Let's solve the second one. Now in the second question it says write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. Rational indices. So first we will write the question. The question is square root of fifth power of 121. Let the camera focus. Yes. Now how are you going to write square root of fifth power of 121? So this will be written as 1 to 1 fifth 5 upon 2. Square root of fifth power of 121. Second will be cube of fourth root of 324. So 324 over here. Third cube means 3. Cube of fourth root in this way. Next is fifth root of square of 264. So 264 2 upon 5. Fourth one is cube root of 3. So 3 cube root of 3. Isn't it interesting? Now over here practice set number 3.2 is also been completed. If you all are having any problem regarding anything, do let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.